Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juhi. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Mumbai. So today I'm just going to be talking about this guy, the Karan Aujla. So how he replied on my reel and how was my reaction, because after that reel my algorithm is running fast and I got my first video where I have received 1.3 million view. I know followers are less, but small achievements are something better than nothing. So let's get started. So I would like to say that his concert was on 3rd March 2026 and it was in the morning, like the Holi concert. Officially in Maharashtra people were celebrating Holi on 3rd. I don't know what was it, but there was this grain and all. My mom told me not to celebrate, so I haven't touched any color, but I planned let's go to Karan Aujla's concert. And to be honest, in 2024 I went for fan pit with my best friend and the experience was amazing. I loved it. And of course Karan Aujla है भाई वो, तो of course वो अच्छा ही होगा. So after that, you know what has happened, that this time I was not planning to go because my best friend was not here and I was like भाई अकेले क्या ही जाऊँ ये वो. Then what has happened, that I was planning to go out with my flatmates for some other place, like for Lalit, and there was something which is like still stopping me to book that ticket. And you know what was that? Yes. So at night I cancelled it, and the day, like on 3rd, I was working, like working. I was on holiday working. So I've taken 2-3 hours ka extra break and went to the concert and came back, and I've covered my shift also. So I just said no, I'm not going to come to this plan, because I was like, no, I have to go for the Karan Aujla's concert. Like I've also posted a reel कि भाई Karan Aujla देख लो, मैं अकेली हूँ, बुला सकते हैं और all. उसने वो वाली रील नहीं देखी थी. So I was थोड़ा सा ऐसे दिल टूटा, जक सुना लगा and all. But post that I was like, no, fuck it, I'll go. So what has happened, that in the morning I've booked fan pit, like on 3rd, सुबह 8 बजे I've booked the ticket that I'm going, fuck it, I'll go alone. And I went there. There were few girls who were also alone, so we all were standing together, and I was in the fan pit and waiting for like almost 2 hours to come him on stage. And you know what has happened after this point? So I would say everything was good. Like, ठीक है चलो, I'm alone. I don't mind going alone on concerts. Like this was one of the thing on my bucket list. Like I wanted to go alone for a concert, but that is fine. Yeah, I went alone and it was fine. I've taken metro and I just met few people in the metro. They were also going, so it was like, ah, you are also going, I'm also going. So we reached there, but these people were in GA and I was in Banbit. So there also I went alone, and it was Holi, so I don't know, they must have not received the permit for alcohol, so they have cancelled giving alcohol. ठीक है चलो, that is also fine, no worries, no issue. Whoever wants to drink, उनका थोड़ा सा मूड चढ़ गया. But भाई इतनी ज़्यादा धूप, we all were standing, अब आएगा, he was not coming, and I was wondering, मैं empty stomach आई हूँ, अगर मैं गिर गई धूप में, who's not, like there's nobody who's going to help me throughout because I was alone. And इतनी देर तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. Then there's this guy. I really want to talk this out. So yeah, post that what has happened is there was this guy who was just standing beside me, and you know what he has done? He was pushing me all time. Like there was this guy with him, and there was this one more girl, and she was also pushing. Like she really wanted to go again. I was like, bro, what are you trying to do? Don't push, don't push. तो पर मैंने प्यार से बोला. उसके बाद तीसरी बार वो इतना गंदा पुश किया, मैंने चीख दिया, प्लीज स्टे बैक, यू बेटर बी बैक, ये वो. सो देयर वर पीपल हु लिटरली आस्क्ड मी कि चिल चिल, ज़्यादा आप ऐसे मत करो, आप इधर आ जाओ, ये वो. एंड एक्सपीरियंस वॉज क्रेजी. आई मीन आई वुड से बहुत ज़्यादा धूप हो गई थी. आई वुड स्टिल से इट वॉज नॉट अबाउट करण औजला, नॉट अबाउट द मैनेजर. I would still say it was not about Ojla and his team. The management could have done better, and of course, the temperature was very bad. So after that, this thing has happened. Like, so I would still say it was not about the Ojla and the team. Of course, it was about the temperature, but at the end of the day, they could have done better. So this was my second time, and I've posted reel about the views or the review, and Karan Aujla has replied to my reel. So let's quickly break the Karan Aujla's Mumbai concert. So my expectation was like I also went in 2024 and it was a night and I went for fan pit and the experience was superb too. Like super se super I would say. But this time when I went for Holi concert I went alone. That is not a problem. But the second problem is I collapsed thrice. I thrown up and भाई साहब धूप इतनी ज़्यादा थी. आई वॉज इन द फैन पिट बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक मैं फैन पिट पे ही रहूँगी. बट इतनी मारा मारी हो रही है, लोग धक्के दे रहे भाई. आई मीन वो तो हर कॉन्सर्ट में ही होता है, बट ना पानी ऊपर से वो फेंक रहे हैं, ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, ज़ीरो स्प्रिंकलिंग वाटर. एंड एट द सेम टाइम because I was collapsing and I was alone, I have upgraded my ticket for the lounge. I went into the lounge side and I was standing there around say, of course, people have bad experience, but so I then like after 2-3 songs, I was in lounge and I was like standing around say, and the management was good. They have given me water. They were making sure कि हाँ ठीक है, you need anything else. I was surprised कि ठीक है lounge पे these people are getting a lot of good treatment. Like Tanmay Bhatt was there, Rebel Kid was there, and many other Gullu and all was, and Aisha was also there. So it was like कि lounge में they were at least not getting the heat on their head. But जो fan pit था भाई, 2 लड़कियाँ मेरे सामने गिरी है and zero management, zero, पानी तक नहीं भाई. and I was not literally expecting कि ऐसा होगा भाई. स्क्रीन तक नहीं थी, ग्रीन पर्दा लगा के फूल लगा दिए. I mean, what was wrong with you? The team, I would say, because Karan Aujla has the capacity. वो कल भी धूप में गाया and post that he went to Pune and Pune का भी अच्छा हुआ. So what was wrong here? Karan Aujla, I know you are not seeing this reel, but I would still say कि यार we deserve मुंबई में रात का one more concert. निकालो अपना dates, करो कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे, but come back again because एक्सपेक्टेशन यहाँ से तुमने यहाँ कर दी है लोगों की. जाओ देखो 100 लोगों की रील है, सब यही पोस्ट करे मैनेजमेंट दिस मैनेजमेंट दैट. आई वेस्टेड माई मनी. इवन आई हैव ऑल्सो पोस्टेड दैट कि आई मीन आई हैव टू गो टू द HSBC का लाउंज एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई वॉज फीलिंग बेटर बिकॉज फैन पिट में तो मैं मर ही जाती. लिटरली लोग मुझे पुश कर रहे हैं, लिटरली लोग मुझे पुश कर रहे हैं एंड आई वॉज लाइक भगवान मुझे बचाओ. एंड बिकॉज आई हैव द कैपेसिटी I went there, but the people who were also in fan pit, they were dying. And I mean, GA वालों का, VIP वालों का सोच लो कि उनका क्या हो रहा होगा. इधर fan pit वाला I'm talking about. So I would really do a request कि करो concert एक और. So for the April one, I'm going again because he's giving me free ticket and also he's giving ticket to all the original ticket holders. So I would say people who have resold it, please give that money back to the original person because of course you are getting the ticket and also you are getting money because मैंने भी reseller से खरीदी थी and my reseller is not helping me out. So I would really say that Ojla, please do better next time because I'm coming again and everyone has the, I would say that expectation to you कि भाई you do great concerts, of course you do. So Ojla, I would say that I am really happy with the whole concert, but I would still say ki I know you have the capability, and we are going to see you again on April 12th, which is Sunday, and maybe the venue will be Mahalakshmi. So I would really, really like to thank each and everyone who is watching my video. And if you really like the video, like the review ones, you know what you have to do: share, comment, subscribe, and like, of course. And by motivation thodi kam ho rahi hai, so you have to subscribe me so that I can be more motivated and post videos about reviews and my life. So you know what you have to do: subscribe. So I would really say that please do a good concert. Of course you are doing so. That was something. And of course concerts में थोड़ा बहुत धक्का मुक्का तो होते रहता है, but of course if you want to experience the artist you have to go. And I've been to multiple concerts: Arijit, Diljit, Karan Aujla again, Anuv Jain, Pratik, not Pratik, uh, Talvinder, yeah, and also Chude Mate Fest I went. So I always have this experience. Travis ka bhi not worth, but I always say this: go for that concert, because now also I'm going again. Now I'm also going for Canon Music. So I'll see you around. Bye.